family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selena Zenchuk. My channel is about DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. In today's video, we are going to be using Cloves for Aurora wash day routine. Cloves repair, strengthen, and add a healthy shine to our hair shaft when applied regularly. It also in turn improves blood circulation in the scalp. Cloves promote stronger and healthy hair growth. This miracle ingredient also reduces hair fall. It solves the root cause of hair thinning. It also keeps your scalp healthy. It reduces infection and it thickens your hair. Cloves are also rich in number of nutrients required for hair growth. Cloves consist of potassium, sodium, omega-3 fatty acids, iron, manganese, vitamin K, vitamin C, and fiber. Cloves are also loaded with antioxidants that help promote our hair from damage. I went on a 7-day cloves hair growth challenge. I will leave that video down in the description box for you, and I got a really great result from it. I also plan to go on a 14 days clove hair growth challenge, which I will start by the mid of this month. So after that, I add in my 2 cups of water, and I'm just putting our clove on the fire. Once it reached the boiling temperature, I took it off and transfer it into my bottle. I'm going to keep this bottle in the fridge and I will use it daily on Aurora hair. But this one I'm putting into the spray bottle, this is what we are going to use on her hair. This wash day is going to be a very fast.
I love you.
I love you too. Oh, you love the family?
You're your best family.
Oh, that is so sweet. So this wash day is going to be a straightforward wash day routine. We are first going to pre-poo Aurora hair with her clove treatment. So this is my clove treatment.
You want? This is my prom treatment.
Cloves treatment.
Close treatment.
Yes. So
hey,
you want
guys.
to turn around.
Hey, you're amazing.
Oh. Yes, Aurora have a lot of sweet talk. Okay, baby. So let's turn around and start your wash day quick. We don't want it to take it all day because I don't want you to get impatient. Let me just adjust this a bit. And then we'll first start with your pre-poo treatment. Oh, your hair looks very dry. It needs some moisture. It needs love, softness. So this is where we're starting up from with Aurora hair. First, just going to part Aurora hair in sections so it can be easy. She's very tender hair there, so I'm taking my time. Now we're gonna work on this section. Turn your hair a bit big. You've been very good, Aurora. So I'm also just gonna apply on her scalp. Her hair is very tangled right now, so I'm not going to do much with it for now because I don't want her hurting. I'm gonna detangle her hair at the end. Also just going in with some of the secrets oil on her hair and her scalp also. Massage it in a bit. Why are you turning around like that? You want to turn around back for mommy? Thank you.
Oops.
It's okay. Okay, so I'm just going to twist this section up, and I'll do the same on the rest of the section. Just go in with the treatment and then also go in with the S Secret to go forward. I'm going to let this sit on the roller here for 10 minutes. After that, we'll rinse it out and go in with our shampoo treatment.
I think I still need water on me.
Really?
Because it's so nice. Hey, I have
Put your head up, baby. Okay.
Hi. You're a king sausage. King? Actually, prisons.
A king is a man.
Princesses.
What do you do?
you go.
Alright, family, so we are done with Aurora food wash day routine. Her hair is back all moisturized and soft. You want to end the video now, baby?
No.
Okay, you're gonna ask for a thumbs up. Say if you love this video, can you please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you in our next hair video. Oh, also tell them about the Zenchak Family channel. You want to tell them? Thank you for watching.
Thanks you for watching.
Bye-bye.